Hello and welcome to FTx Academy. In this training video, we're going to show you how to set up your items for the swag shop. First, we'll go to Loyalty, Swag Shop, and Items. Next, we click Add New. For this training module, we'll make a swag item for our merchandise type. First, we'll add a name, and for the category, we'll choose Accessories. For tags, we'll start out by adding air freshener. And then we'll add a couple of Catskill Hempco ones. And lastly, we'll add black ice. For our token cost, we'll make this 5,000. Now remember, 1,000 reward tokens is equivalent to $1. So in this case, the 5,000 tokens means $5. And for the age-restricted topics, we're going to choose age-restricted products. Next, we'll add a short description. And then next, the product description. Next, we'll go to our Attributes tab. In the Attributes tab, if you toggle this to yes, from here you can add a few attributes. For example, if we were selling a couple of shirts at different colors and different sizes, we would add each attribute for those selected items. But for this example, we won't be using any attributes. Next, we'll add our UPC, and then add the quantity we have on hand. Next, we'll go to our options. For the max redemption allowed per day and max allowed per purchase, we're going to be using our global. If you remember, this was all set up during the loyalty settings training. Next is our mark as featured. We'll leave this as yes. We won't add any age limits. We won't have this expire. And for the shipping type, we'll use the category settings. Next, we'll go to our manage balance type. Here we can set the token bucket the customers can use to redeem this item. Let's click on manage. Let's click on the default token bucket, shoot that over, and hit apply. Next, we want to add our image. Let's click Choose Files and select the image we want for this product. And remember to always click Save and Close. And this concludes our training for adding an item to your swag shop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FTx POS, and sign up at FastTrax Academy to learn more and get your certifications to show off to your coworkers.